Good evening, students. In this small capsule, I am going to talk about the environmental impacts on tourism. Tourism generally takes place in the world's most attractive environment. Tourists desire to escape to a seemingly untouched environment. In many locations, tourism development has taken place with little regards to the natural environment. Tourism and the environment are very closely interlinked. Each is dependent upon the other for maintaining a balance, so that if the environment deteriorates, it will directly affect the tourism industry. There are three components that broadly comprises of environmental impact of tourism, namely travel, impacts from various transport modes such as car, train and air travel. Tourism destination development, it impacts affecting a wide diversity of environment. That is, the purpose is to build and natural areas. Then you have tourism associated activities. Popular holiday activities can affect also the natural environment. Travel impacts from transport could be pollution, could be climate change, greenhouse gases, reduction of ozone in the stratosphere, burning of fossil fuels, land clearance, noise pollution, and so forth. When we talk about impacts from tourism destination development, it could be inappropriate development, loss of natural habitat and effects on wildlife, pollution, overcrowding, traffic congestion, wear and tear. So these are some of the negative impacts of tourism. Impacts of tourism associated activities: skiing and alpine tourism, snorkeling, diving and other marine activities, trampling, vegetation and soil, alteration of ecosystem by tourist activities. These are a few more negative environmental impact. So how can we reduce the negative impacts of tourism? Through water conservation, by reducing carbon emissions using renewable energy efficiency and green building, waste reduction, management and recycling, erosion management, protecting biodiversity, visitor management, environmental awareness raising, regulatory measures. Tourism can focus attention on significant environmental issues and stimulate initiatives to conserve and enhance the environment, conservation of redundant and or historic buildings for alternative uses, enhancement of local environments and protection of wildlife. So this was a small capsule on environmental impacts on tourism. I hope you enjoyed it, but do remember that you need to refer to the detailed classroom notes you had made while I had made the detailed lecture on this subject, in addition to the case studies we had discussed, as well as the videos I have shown. All these 3 or 4 things together will give you an holistic picture about the topic. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.